You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Spanish originally, and yes, now it's kind of become famous for being the name of a new Lamborghini car model. It means temeraire in Spanish, or reckless, but quite brave as well. The Spanish pronunciation is from Spanish. Lamborghini has Spanish names, not Italian, but the pronunciation in Italian would be quite similar. Temerario. Temerario would be the Spanish pronunciation, so in English, temerario. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.